Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about narration. This is the fourth part of our discussion. In this module, we are going to discuss narration chains in case of imperative sentence. So are you ready? Let's start. Now we'll talk about narration chains in case of imperative sentence. Before discussing rule for narration chains, we need to know what is an imperative sentence. Look at the definition. This sentence states order, request or advice. It means this type of sentence indicates three kinds of senses: order or request or advice. There is no subject. In this sentence, we do not find any subject. The sentence starts with verb. So the sentence starts with verb. Now see the example. Open the door. Look at the sentence. Open the door. This sentence indicates the sense order. And the sentence starts with verb open. And there is no subject. That's why it is an imperative sentence. Now see rule for narration chains from direct to indirect. At first we need to use the speaker. Then order, requested or advice in place of said to or said. According to the sense. According to the sense, we need to use order or requested or advised. If we find order sense, then we need to use order. If we find request sense, then we need to use requested. If we find advice sense, then we need to use advised. So according to the sense, we need to use either order or requested or advice in place of said to or said. So if you find said to or said, in place of it, you need to use order, requested or advice according to the sense. Then the listener, then the joining word to. Here you should remember, if you find do not in the direct speech, remove do and use not to. So if you find do not, then remove do and use not to, and then others. If you find please, remove it. If you find the word please, then you should remove it. You will find please word in request sense, and that time you need to remove the word please. So this is the rules. So at first we need to use speaker. Then according to the sense we need to use either order, requested or advised. Then the listener. Then the joining word to. Then others part. Now see some examples. The first example, mother said to me, go to school at once. This is direct. Now here mother speaker say to reporting verb in past tense, me listener, and go to school at once imperative sentence, and it indicates order sense. That's why we use at first the speaker mother, then in place of said to we use ordered. Why? Because go to school at once, it indicates ordered sense. That's why we use ordered in place of said to. Then listener me. Then joining word to. And then other parts go to school at once. Now see the next example. Subroto said to Pritham, please shut the door. Here Subroto speaker said to reporting verb in past tense, Pritham listener, and please shut the door, it indicates request sense. That's why we used at first Subroto, then in place of said to we use requested. Why? Because please shut the door indicates request sense. That's why in place of said to we use requested. Then listener Pritham, then joining word to, and here we please is removed because we don't need to use please again. Okay, and except please we use shut the door. So here we remove please. So please is removed here. Actually please is removed here. So look at these two examples. The first example we find order sense, and second example we find request sense. So according to the sense, in place of say to, we use order in order sense and requested in request sense. Now see the third example. The third example, my teacher said to me, don't waste your time. Here my teacher speaker say to reporting verb in past tense, me listener. Don't waste your time. This is imperative sentence, indicates advice sense. Okay, at first we use my teacher, then in place of said to we use advised, because don't waste your time indicates advice sense. That's why in place of said to we use advised. Then listener me. Then remove do, and then use not to, and other part waste your time. Now look here, if we find do not, then remove do. So in this case we remove do and use not to. So we use not before to, in this way not to, then waste, and then and your time is changed into my time according to the listener, because we know when we find you your second person, then it should be changed according to the listener. So here your time, so listener is me, so in case of me or I, your time will be my time. That's why your time is changed into my time according to the listener. So that's why the sentence, my teachers advised me not to waste my time. So in this way we can change narration in case of imperative sentence. So in this module we have discussed definition of imperative sentence, rule for narration change, examples with explanation. Here our discussion ends. So much for the present. Thank you so much.